Saddleback College has just the right place for vets as they transition back into civilian life.
I'm here with Jason Vespia, who is the club president of the Vet Club, and he's going to explain to us a little how the Hope Scholarship got started.
Well, the beginning of last semester, one of our student veterans, Adam Razani, took his own life in a very tragic event. That is a very common thing among student veterans, especially veterans transitioning out of the military. And because of that, we wanted to display a wreath in his honor at the Veterans Memorial here on campus. Well, what happened is we took a lot of donations from faculty, students, anybody who could really give anything, and we got such an overwhelming amount of donations, more than we ever expected, that we had a lot of money left over. So I brought it to the club's attention, and we decided as a club that we were going to use that money to start a scholarship and help support veterans that are in that transitioning stage that are having a difficult time.
And so, are you going to plan to raise more money throughout the year for this scholarship?
We're hoping to do fundraisers throughout the whole year, one a month at least. We're planning on doing a lot of these hot dog sales, different types of events. We've outreach with a bunch of different companies throughout the community that are willing to do fundraisers for us, also to help pay for the scholarship and fund the scholarship. But at least you're going to be expecting at least 4 or 5 more from us this year.
And do you have to be a vet to get involved?
To get involved with the club and the organization, not at all. It's open to any student member or faculty member here on campus.